This project is IOT Smart Garbage Monitoring System for Municipal Corporation. Here, hardware connections are Arduino and its data board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. Wi-Fi module ESP8266 and RFID connected to Arduino UART port respectively. Here, we have our own server designed according to our requirement. Initially, we have to create hotspot in our mobile with the name of IOTserver and password is IOTserver 123. Now we have to open the hotspot settings. Set up Wi-Fi hotspot. Here network name is IOTserver and password is IOTserver 123. Save. Mobile should have internet through SIM. Now power on this. We can log in server application in this URL. Here URL is projectfactoryserver.in using this username and password. Here username is IOT4 and password is IOT4. We can name it these according to our requirement. Now we have to open the URL. Here username is IOT4 and password is IOT4. In this URL we can open in our mobile or laptop. After switch on this kit, it connects internet through hotspot. These RFID cards attached to garbage bins around the city or town. This entire system placed on garbage collection vehicle. While collecting garbage bin, RFID card read by reader and data upload to server. Here it will upload that garbage located area name to server. And authorities can easily identify which area bins collected with respect to time. We can see in server like this. We can see here railway station, clock tower and assembly. Collected at railway station. Here an LCD U means data uploaded into server. You can see here railway station with respect to date and time. Collected at assembly. Collected at clock tower. If collecting vehicle misses the garbage, then authorities can take a appropriate action.